MBMS have a full in-house mechanical and electrical services team. This enables us to provide commercial gas engineering and boiler services, plus heating, ventilation, air conditioning and plumbing services, and all aspects of electrical engineering, design, installation and testing. We offer a consistently professional, safety-conscious and reliable range of services, together with sensible and affordable prices. Our team of certified and qualified professionals are highly experienced across a wide range of sectors, including commercial, domestic and industrial construction, and facilities management support services. This enables us to offer a truly one-stop shop for all your mechanical and electrical service requirements. For further information, please visit our website and request a meeting right now.